Hello everyone. This video is to show you how you can update the HTML page that you created on UC file space and include a like button from Facebook. And the same steps can be used to do the same for Twitter button or Google Plus or any other buttons from Facebook. What I did here is I went to UC file space and click on the right link. It should say login and it give you credentials to enter your username and password. So I enter my username and password and got me to this login page. So what I'm trying to do is to locate the file I created from project number 1. There are many ways to edit your HTML file. I'm just gonna go with the most simple way for the purpose of this project. One of the posts on the Facebook class page included links to free HTML editors, and that give you a lot more capacity to edit and make changes to the page. But for our purpose, we just want to add the like button. So I go to My Files and browse to the Sites folder. So click on Sites, and then you see on the left it says Open. So open the folder. And then there are multiple pages that have the information that you're looking for. If you recall my previous video on uploading your file, I created a folder with the class name. In your case, you may just have an index HTML file that you can just modify. So I'll go to the folder I created, click Open, and that is the index page that I want to modify and include the like button from Facebook. So I clicked on it, and you see the menu on the left give me options, and one of those options is edit. If you click on edit, it opens a file editor. If you see here, this is a file that is written in tags. This is called HTML tags. Hypertext markup language. This is the language that the web browsers understand, and basically everything here is translated in a certain way. The page is there's nothing much on this page. This is the body tag. This is important, and that's where everything in the program would be. To see how this page look like, I'll open a new tab and then go to the web page, which is home pages, and then your user ID, and then the my folder here, and that will take me to the page. So this is the page, and I want to add a like button from Facebook here. So first, the question I ask myself, what would people like? And they will like this page, and this page is included at this URL. So this is the address that I want people to like. So I come here, right click and copy this address, then go to Facebook. So I went to Facebook and I logged in. I'm standing here on the class page. And there are many ways to get to this, but one way is to scroll all the way down, and you will see down a link to developers. So you click on the link to developers, and then there are multiple things to develop. Here we want to build for a website because we want to build a Facebook social blogging to a website. So click on build for websites. And the first link here is called social blogging. So click on social blogging. So if you get that message, just say yes, I would like to view the page. And there are options here, and the article explains multiple things. This is one option for what the like button will look like, which has the button that the user will click on to say that they liked your page. It also shows how many people actually clicked on that like button, and you will have to make those changes. So here you see the most important search is the like button. If you click on the like button, it will take you to where you can set up the like button. And then there is this form, and this form basically allow you to create the like button. What's happening here is we're creating a connection between my page, this page that at that URL, and Facebook, which is at that URL. So these are completely two different websites, and we're connecting them. And this form helps us create HTML code that will make that connection. So we want Facebook to tell us the code that will make the connection, and we'll come back here and paste that code. So come here, enter the URL that you like, and I will paste the URL that I picked for the page that I want to like. And then you get to choose the style. So this is the full format. This is all what has been selected in this form. If you don't want the send button, you can uncheck send. If you don't want, if you want to make a change to the layout and put a count or box count, or just go with the standard, you can specify the width of the button. Do you want to show faces? What verb you want to display? I will go with recommend. You can have like, we said like, so let's stay with like. Color scheme, I'll go with dark. Fonts, you get to choose the font that you want. And you can always see here what it looks like. Wow, that doesn't look good. So let's stay with light. Oops, went all the way up. And then there is this button that says get code. So you click on that button, and it shows to you the code that you would like, that you should use. And the code can come in different format. All of them will work. You can just stay with where you are. There are two steps that you need to do, two pieces of code. The first one is this code here. So you select all of it, copy it, and it says include this once on your page after the opening body tag. You see that body tag? I showed it to you on the page. So now we come back to the UC file space, and I already selected the body tag. Hit enter, right click, and paste the code that we selected over there. Okay, now back to Facebook. There's a step number 2, which is to take that code, and this is the code that actually has the like button, and we want to put it wherever we want the like button to be. So do I want the like button here? Do I want it in the middle? Do I want it at the end? Do I want it in a new page, in a new line? So let's say I want the like button to be on a new line. So this tag here is the one that makes the line. So I can come and add a paragraph tag and end it. And in between here, paste the code I copied from Facebook. Then I click apply. What apply will do will save that file. Then I can go back to my home page and refresh the page. And if everything worked well, I should be able to see the button. If I click on this button, I have to be connected to Facebook, but it will show on Facebook that that I have liked this particular page. So I can click on this button. It will first come here and say that it will use my Facebook identity. Now know that I already logged onto Facebook, so the Internet Explorer, my web browser, recognized I already logged into Facebook. Had I not been already logged into Facebook, I would have been given the dialog to log into Facebook first before the like is completed. And that's all what is required for the assignment. And then that is the URL I want you to submit, because not all of you will be working on different pages. So take that URL, put it in a PDF and send it to me.